Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about VideoHive. VideoHive. VideoHive is an incredibly useful and versatile platform for video creators and enthusiasts alike. As a part of the in-video market, it offers a vast library of high-quality stock footage, motion graphics, and video templates that caters to a wide range of creative needs. One of the standout features of VideoHive is the sheer variety and depth of its content. Whether you are looking for stunning visual, eye-catching animation, or pre-designed video template for intros, promos, or title sequences, you're likely to find something that fits your requirements. The platform is home to a thriving community of talented video artists who contribute their works, ensuring a steady stream of fresh and diverse content. So let's create the account first before starting doing anything. Sign in. Create an account. Continue with Google. Choose your Google account. That's it. Yeah, let's continue. We have code, video, audio, graphics, pictures, photos, 3D files, unlimited downloads if you subscribed. We have InVideo unlimited downloads for $60.50. So here we have video features, all categories. We have cinema for the templates, Qatar football promo. Why is this? I won't be asking. We have add-ons, Premiere Pro template. We have After Effects project files, clean 3D logo intro. We have advanced fire elements for After Effects. We have Apple Motion templates, motion graphics. You can view more items by jumping in. So navigating through the VideoHive platform is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and effective search and filtering options. You can easily explore different categories, themes, styles, and resolutions to find precisely what you are looking for. The preview features allows you to evaluate the content before making a purchase, ensuring that you can make an informed decision. The license theme, let's see. The license terms of VideoHive are clear and straightforward, providing flexibility and peace of mind for both personal and commercial projects. The marketplace operates a per item model, allowing you to choose and purchase only the assets you need rather than committing a subscription or a package deal. So here we have $23 for this video. Yeah, the video is so. You can download the preview, you can add it to the cart and buy it now. It's for single use. You see this video, we have this video. This illusions, the scale, the buy and the sell scale. You see that a lot. Let's jump to the 9th page. What's the category that we are looking for? Nothing. Let's see the bestseller. Okay, it's a pack. Your answer transitions. Yeah, a pack of transitions, I think. So those are the highest selling, the best. So furthermore, VideoHive boasts an active and supportive community of contributors and users. The platforms and comments section provides an excellent platform for engagement, collaboration, and troubleshooting. This sense of community fosters a vibrant and inspiring environment for creative and professionals to learn, share ideas, and grow their skills. And didn't mention that before. If you need any help, you can access to the help here. Down the pages, you can access to the account of the Invato, the owner of this website. This website is a platform of Invato. So here we have the help center, contact, the number of the Invato market, so that if you need any help to contact them. If you made a purchase and you didn't get what are you looking for. So however, it's worth mentioning that while VideoHive offers an extension collection, not a content may meet the same level of quality. As with any marketplace, there can be variations in the skills and execution of individuals contributors. It's essential to read reviews, check ratings, and preview assets truly to ensure they align with your expectations. But overall, VideoHive is a reliable and valuable resource for anyone involved in video production, whether you are beginner or seasoned professional. With its extensive library, intuitive interface, and supportive community, VideoHive empowers creatives to enhance their projects and bring the vision to life with ease. So we checked only the videos. Let's see the audios. So no, not music. We search for sound effects. No, those are music, sound effects, something short. Only seconds. Okay, I'm not getting copyright. Let's see sounds. Okay, 2 seconds for wait. Audio Jungle, the website changed, and the audio that you are hearing in here is for the copyrights or something like this, so people can't copy the audio because it has the audio jungle voice. See, let's try a different audio here. Wait, this is a logo. Wait, the logo has a sound, and where is there? I can't see the logo, but I can hear this sound. And everyone has the audio jungle. So there are multiple websites in Envo Market. Every website has its job. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.